The punishment's about to start. We're at the front. We're about to spin. We're going to spin.
Right.
These guys are getting it. The KFC.
KFC mega way.
No, it wasn't that mega. There's a big one coming for you actually.
Yeah, it might be me.
Maybe me.
Could be you two.
There we go.
Oh, no, turn. Oh no, we're getting another one. Oh, we got a massive one.
It's a huge one.
Oh my God. Anyway, I'm absolutely soaked.
I put my feet up as well.
I thought you said there's no water in the boat.
There wasn't at the start. Well, there's a little one. Oh, there's a little sink thing, that's why.
That was ridiculous.
Wait till you see the playback.
We're still nowhere near the end.
No, I know.
Oh, fuck off. That's one of the biggest waves we've ever seen.
Yeah.
That was nothing. I don't like being this side.
You know we're going to get a waterfall, eh?
Yeah, here it goes. You're about to get it.
There we go. No. Oh, really?
Oh, it's going to come back around to us again. Oh, no. We're on the wrong side of this boat. It's not too bad now.
Oh,
It says. I wish these boats drain like some waters we ride back in the UK. Made by the same company.
yeah.
It's a big wave.
Oh, no.
There's a giant one coming.
Second.
Oh, you're lucky. You hit it just right.
Yeah.
That was lucky.
Aye, but the waterfalls are still like come.
And we're right on that side of the waterfalls. You're getting it down the neck.
Come on, spin, baby,
yes.
spin.
Sweet.
Oh no! You get it! Oh,
No.
Yeah, see, this is a great rapid.
yeah.
What a rapid. Oh, no, it's stabilised enough.
I'm absolutely soaked.
Aye, there's still one waterfall to come.
Oh. If I get this one as well. Oh shit it now.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
That was bad.
I didn't want to curse it all the way through, but I got hardly anything.
Fuck you. Look at my shoes. Soaked. Oh God.